Okay, I'm Tyson, VP of Sales here at My Medic. We're at the Western Hunt Expo here today, one of several shows that we go to. Typically, like these types of shows, we'll introduce like the very first launch of a product specifically. This is all of our brand new V2 stuff. So it's the new color-coded system, the new style bag, the new colors. And we love to get this type of audience first dibs on that type of stuff. We believe that everyone should have a proper first aid kit in their vehicle, in their home, in their range bag, whatever it may be, to take with them to stay safe and protected for those emergency situations. If you're gonna have a first aid kit, you better know how to use it. And ours aren't just like the everyday bumps, scrapes, and boo-boos. They are like tourniquet, pressure bandage, quick clot, chest seals, things that would save your life in an emergency situation. So a lot of the times our approach is educational. So people, especially like the Utah shows, they don't understand that we're literally just right down the road. We're a 15-minute drive from here, just based in North Salt Lake City. So we have our educational director here, Billy Haley, and he is a Green Beret Army Delta medic who comes and he'll do these educational pieces. So we love going to teach people why they might need those things, to help them think, okay, I'm actually probably not prepared like I thought I was with my little box of Band-Aids here. So that's our purpose in going to a lot of these trade shows, is just helping the consumer realize that they have a problem in their life and we are a potential solution. This type of show is very consumer. We'll see the results of this immediately because we're selling all of our amazing kits right here at our booth. But like SHOT Show, corporate gifting events, all these other ones, you don't necessarily sell. You just gather business cards, you get clientele to then reach out to at a later date to hopefully land an opportunity then. It's a lot of business development opportunities here with all these amazing companies. We're an outdoor brand. Every single booth here is an outdoor brand, so there isn't really anyone here that we wouldn't be interested in with partnering. So we'll have people that like towards the end of the show that'll come up to us that aren't consumers that are like, hey, love your product, how can we partner together? How can I wholesale this? How can I be an affiliate? How can we do a marketing strategy together? Co-brand, you name it. And so we're open to all of those ideas when we come to the shows. We have 2 sets of everything that you see here, but what we're actually looking at doing is tailoring booths specifically for the event we're going to. It's like we go to Pinterest, and this is like more trauma center, but I bring very, very different products like Pinterest and PPAI because it's more feminine, it's more women style, women friendly, and so we want to have like those types of backdrops and that type of feel, and then a hunting one, and then like more law enforcement one. So we're hoping to get extra booth stuff, and like really, really soon actually. I think we've already reached out to you guys.